Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. I have a new unboxing. I'm really excited about this. It is taking me a couple days to get to it because I've been sick. So excuse me in advance because I will be coughing. Um, this is called an intention box, and it's aromas and crystals. I am super excited. This is a creative box done by my friend Leslie, and I'm super excited. So at the very top of the box, the presentation is so pretty. Oh, this smells so good. So this is fragrant. I kind of want to say it's eucalyptus, but I don't think so. But it smells really good. Okay, so the presentation is really nice. I really like this. This is not a sponsored video. She did give this box to me to review, but I will be subscribing to her. These are going to be monthly boxes, and everything has an intention and a purpose, and it's all about self-realization, actualization, and calming and balance. I'm so excited! Oh my gosh! Okay, welcome to your intention box. It has a beautiful letter. I'm not going to read it all. Affirmation essential oil. What is an affirmation? Oh my gosh, a journal. Oh, okay. I'm not supposed to read that, I think. I'm supposed to be surprised. Okay. Sorry, my bad. It's my very first one. I'm so excited. Okay. Okay, so in this box, this is the first box that I'm opening. Oh, this is so pretty. It's a gold leaf, and it's a necklace. I worked last night, so I don't have on like regular clothes. I just have on some that I threw on to film this video in. But this is so beautiful. I am totally wearing this all weekend. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Okay, I love jewelry, and I don't wear it enough. And I don't know why, because I really like it. But anyway, I know the light is like super bright. I'm still working on lighting. It's not even 7 o'clock in the morning. Okay, just cut me some slack. Okay, next is this little sachet. I think this is an oil. She makes the most amazing scrubs and oils. The scents are fantabulous. Just FYI, I'm just going to throw that out there. So excited. She and I have talked about this box before in 2019. I want to say last year, but in 2019. And I was so excited. And this is an affirmation essential oil roll on. And I cannot wait to smell this. She uses very specific essential oils, and she's very particular about where she gets her oils from. And she's very good at what she. Oh my gosh. She also does oil readings, or not oil readings. I don't know what it's called, but like she does a thing where she does. You talk to her, and then she chooses an oil for you, and it kind of suits for your needs, like what you need it for. Oh wow. Oh, this is lovely. What is in this? Oh, lemongrass, Egyptian geranium. I'm so glad I'm wearing my glasses. Sweet French basil, Mexican lime, fractioned coconut oil. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. And it's a roll-on. This is. I could literally do her oils all day long, just basking with. And I just had kind of a stressful week because I was sick, and I don't usually get sick, and I had to take off work. It was bad. So if I'm coughing, I'm trying to hold it back. But anyways, next on in the back, in the box, in this little sachet. Oh, these cute little patches. Okay, so this is an amethyst crystal, and it's just a chunk of it, right? So the reason I'm so excited is because this is my son's birthstone, and he is extremely special to me. Obviously, your child would be, but I have wanted an amethyst crystal for a very long time, and she did not know that. But this was in the box, so I've wanted an amethyst crystal chunk for so long, so I'm super excited about that. Okay. Okay, and there is a pen, and there's some cute little heart-shaped paper clips attached to the pen. That is so cute. Oh, this is I need something to write on. Oh, wait, is there something in here to write on? Because I'm totally going to use this right now. Okay, sorry. I get excited, I get easily distracted. Okay, gut balance, herbal tea, soothing peppermint, and rose petals to support gut health. This is what the tea looks like. It's a loose tea, which I like those because I feel like they diffuse better. The taste and is richer, and it's just better. And this is obviously, I'm going to guess that this is the tea diffuser. This is so cute. I did not know all this stuff is coming in the box. This is really exciting. So you pour the tea into this little tin. You put this cap back on it. You put the lid back on it, and you set it in your hot water. And then when you're done, you set it on your little lily pad. That is so cute. Okay, sorry. I've never seen anything like that, and I get easily excited. That is freaking adorable. Okay. Oh my god, that is so cute. Very well done. I'm not even done with the box. I'm not even done. Oh, what is this? Oh. So my amethyst, it comes with a little information card. Activates crown chakra and pineal gland, drains stone, helps insomnia, offers relief from headaches, used to open spiritual and psychic centers, used as a meditation aid. Crystal clusters keep air and life force clean and positive, helps overcome fears and cravings. And yeah, I'm craving sweets because I was doing keto, but now I'm not, and so yeah. We're not going to talk about that. I'm going to bring down the positive vibe of this, folks. Okay, and these are little, this is also in the box. These are little sachets. These are little pouches. They're paper, and I'm not really sure what they're for. They might be for little notes or something. And I'm sure it's going to tell me in the paper that I didn't read. I'm going to read it, though. I just don't want to read it on camera because it was long. And I still have one more thing in the box. This is so nice. Nicely wrapped. And this, I think, is the journal that I got the pen for. Everything goes together. She doesn't do anything that doesn't, like it's just random. Everything is themed. Oh. I know him. I know Doyle. So she and I were talking about this guy the other day. And when she mentioned his name, I thought, I know a Doyle. And I think it's the same Doyle. I'm going to check my email. Where's my phone? Where did I put my phone? Oh, hold on. I'm sorry. This is the journal. I told you, I get excited. This is so pretty. This is like I don't know if you can tell, but this is leatherish, a leather textured plum color. It's got a magnetic seal. And my pen. And it's a journal. I'm just all over the place. I'm sorry. It's just a lined journal with your little bookmark. Yes, I did work last night. Yes, I'm a little overexcited. And yes, I'm kind of all over the place. But I think it's the same Doyle. Now that I'm thinking, is that his name? Is that his last name? Where is my phone? Where did I put my phone? Did I put it down somewhere? Hold on a second. It is him. It is the same Doyle. Okay, so I have been, actually, I don't know why I'm surprised, because she's the one that introduced me to Doyle, now that I think about it. I've been following Doyle. He has an email that he sends out with affirmations and positive intent. And I get that email. And when we were talking about Doyle the other day, I kind of was like, man, I wonder if it's the same Doyle. Now that, stupid me, I'm thinking, yeah, of course it's the same Doyle because she introduced you. Anyways, I'm so excited. This journal is beautiful. I am really excited. And I'm super, super impressed. Leslie, you did a great job. And I really can't wait to drink this tea. Actually, I'm going to have some ice cream. Later, not right now. I just had some Triscuits. So this necklace is gorgeous. I absolutely cannot wait to put this on. Absolutely cannot wait. And I'm really excited about this crystal. I'm going to set it by my bed. This tea infuser, everything is really, really nice. I'm going to read the letter, and I'm really excited. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to subscribe for the next box to come in. It is a monthly subscription, and I will put her information in the description box after I read this letter. This is beautiful stationery too. She really put her heart into this, and I'm so excited for her. And this is a box for you. This is not something you can gift it as well. You could probably order it and give it to someone, but this is a box to help you find your inner peace and your quiet place, your positive place, the happy place that keeps you settled and keeps you even. And that's what this is about. And this is the intention of this box, in my opinion. We didn't really go over the exact intent, but we did, but my memory's bad. But it's about finding your Zen place, and everything in this box just excites me, and also excites me because I can't wait to use it to get to the place where I can settle and stop everything else that's going on around me and focus on me and getting back to the center of what makes me feel good. So that's what excites me about this box, and that's why. And I'm also really excited because the things are beautiful and everything is done really well. And I'm going to write in my journal right now with this fancy, beautiful pen. Sorry, I can't help myself. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I will link Leslie's information in the description box. I also will link Doyle's information in the description box. And I'm just so super excited for her. Please go check her out and have a blessed week. Peace.